Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable remote desktop in Windows 11. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, make sure your Windows 11 computer is fully powered on and loaded. Give it a moment to complete its startup process so everything is ready to go. This ensures that all system settings are accessible and any background processes have finished initializing. Once your PC is ready and you're at your desktop, you'll want to access the remote desktop settings. Start by clicking on the Start menu, which is the Windows icon located in your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. After clicking it, the Start menu will open up, revealing a search bar at the top. In this search bar, type in Remote Desktop Settings and then press Enter on your keyboard. This will take you directly to the specific settings page you need without having to navigate through multiple menus. After hitting Enter, a Remote Desktop Settings window will appear on your screen. This is where all the configuration options for Remote Desktop are located. Now you'll see a prominent toggle button labeled Enable Remote Desktop near the top of this window. This toggle is the main control that determines whether your computer can accept remote desktop connections from other devices on your network. Simply click on this toggle to turn it on, and this will enable remote desktop functionality on your Windows 11 machine. Once activated, your computer will be able to receive remote connections, allowing you to access it from another device when needed. And that's it. You've successfully enabled remote desktop on your Windows 11 computer, making it accessible for remote connections. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.